Just a quick intro to batch processing for all of our photos. Right now I'm just looking at an example photo. The image size is 4,000 pixels high. I can change, it's pretty easy to change one dimension or to scale things down by a percentage in Photoshop, and then once I've done that once, I can assign that same action to a whole folder of images. I know that's kind of abstract, but bear with me here. So we've got a 4,000 pixel high image, and for any of these images we're going to use as part of the website, probably the biggest we're going to need them, at least a number of them, is 850 pixels. I don't see any reason why they would need to be bigger than that. That's going to fill the whole screen. And if we do need a bigger one, we've still got the old ones, but I'm going to shrink all these images down so that they're 850 pixels high, and then they should process way faster when we're placing them in our layouts. So to start with, you do have an actions palette. A lot of these are actions that I've created for creating halftones. I've got some of my own actions here that I've built in. And to start a new action, I click on the Actions panel and New Action, and I'm going to name it 850pxh. I'm going to put it in My Actions too. And when I click Record, now anything that I do, here it shows that it's recording my actions. So anything that I do while it's recording this action will be recorded as the action. So if I go image, image size, and I keep the height and width locked, make this 850 pixels high. That's going to reduce this down from a 68 meg file down to a 3 meg file. That's going to be a lot easier to work with. And I click OK. So it's still a big image. I still have pretty good size on the screen, but it's 850 pixels high. That's all I really wanted to do. I can stop the action now. It shows me in the 850 pixel high action that all I've done is change the image size, and so that's where I hit stop. Now I'm going to not save that image. I can go to File, Automate, Batch from Photoshop, and if I choose from my actions, it's already remembering that 850 ph, so I can choose from default actions or other actions. My actions 850 ph, and I'm going to choose a folder that these are going to go to. In my, where do I have these? Downloads. So I've created a folder that's a duplicate of our masked image PSD file. So I still have the original size here, and I've created a folder that's got the 850 on them. These are identical right now, but I'm going to batch process this folder with the 850 ph, 850 pixels. The destination is going to be just save them and close them in the folder they're in, and I'm going to click OK and launch it and see how it goes here. So it should open all of these files. Sometimes it's opening the files and sizing them faster than I even get to see, but it's just going to walk through all of these images and save them. So I'm going to cut the recording here so we don't have to watch all 30 of them go through, but that's basically how you batch process. Create an action, save the action in the Actions panel, then File, Automate, batch, and away you go.